Here's how to round corners. First of all, unlock your layer and then go to layer, hover over on vector mask and click on reveal all. And then in this tool section, you have to select rectangle tool and here select path. And here we can see the border or corner radius. So give here your value. I'm giving here 400 pixel. And then all you have to need, go ahead and draw your image just like this. And here, as you can see, this image is now round corners. Now go to window and enable properties. Go to property and under property here you will find these. From here you can also adjust your border radius or corner radius just like this. And if you want to crop your image extra part, then go to image and click on trim. Click on OK. And then go ahead and save your image.